Hey YouTube. So got some new Eclipse stuff for you. Don't know if you guys know or not, but finally they have a date set for the Eclipse premiere. Now we all know that it comes out June 30th, but they finally found the premiere and drumroll please. It is June 24th at the Nokia Theater as part of the Los Angeles Film Festival. So me, being Mrs. Tiny Loudner, I'm trying to figure out like contests and stuff for to get to the premiere. Unfortunately, Canada, sob, does not have much contests to go to the premiere. I guess they're not willing to fly people up from Canada. It's much easier to get them from the States. But for all you people that do live in Canada, I'm gonna try and find something for you. And yeah, that's about it. So comment on what your ideas are on the Eclipse premiere, whether or not you want to go or not, or whether you think it's just going to be a huge waste of time and Kristen's going to show up wearing some highlighter skirt thing, isn't even a dress. I don't know what it was. I love Kristen Stewart, but I've given up on her. I'm sorry, Case too. You gotta fix up your wardrobe a little. Anyways, YouTube, later. Mrs. Tiny Loudner out.